Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Infusion 23 Pro is probably one of the most anticipated and talked about devices in its category this year, promising a revolutionary user experience that blends cutting-edge technology with intuitive design. And I've been putting it through its paces to see if it truly lives up to the hype and delivers the performance you'd expect from a premium product aimed at discerning consumers who demand excellence in their everyday tech. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree Point 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex and Degree Point 3 Plus. It's a powerful 3-minute pre-shampoo treatment designed to transform your hair. This treatment works quickly to repair damage, leaving your hair feeling noticeably softer and stronger after just one use. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this product is formulated to benefit everyone. Achieve visibly healthier hair with this intensive repair solution. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine. Just apply it before shampooing for a quick yet effective way to restore your hair's vitality. You'll love the results. What we like. This product offers immediate repair for damaged hair. It works in just 3 minutes to make your hair softer and stronger. If you have severely damaged or chemically treated hair and need a quick, effective treatment, this is the one for you. What people say. My hair felt softer, stronger, and with much less frizz. With continued use, it looks healthier and is much easier to manage. It feels like a real treatment that works from within, not just another conditioner. My hair is nowhere near 100% healthy, but the areas that felt gummy now either do not feel gummy at all, or are about 75% improved. Number 4. NEENCA Copper Knee Brace XXXL. Introducing the NEENCA Copper Knee Brace, featuring advanced copper ions infused fiber technology. This brace is designed with a high percentage of copper for maximum benefit. Specifically engineered for plus-size individuals, this knee support offers a comfortable and secure fit for both men and women with larger thighs and legs. Experience superior knee support with our unique design, including a patella gel pad and dual-side stabilizers. It provides enhanced stability and joint lubrication. Enjoy a comfortable wearing experience all day and night. The breathable, anti-slip design ensures it stays in place, providing continuous relief and protection. This medical-grade knee brace helps reduce inflammation, swelling, and stiffness by improving circulation. It's perfect for pain relief and preventing sports-related injuries. From a trusted brand in medical equipment, this knee brace is ideal for a wide range of sports and activities. It offers universal fit for both men and women. What we like. This knee brace features a high copper ion infusion for warmth and pain relief. It includes a patella gel pad and side stabilizers for excellent support. If you suffer from knee pain, arthritis, or are recovering from an injury and need reliable, all-day support, this is a great choice. What people say. The Infusion 23 Pro boasts a sleek, modern design that is both aesthetically pleasing and highly functional. Its advanced features, including the intuitive user interface and seamless connectivity options, make it a top-tier device for professionals. The build quality is exceptional, with premium materials that ensure durability and a sophisticated look. Number 3. Infusium 23 Original Formula Leave-In Treatment. Discover the original formula that started it all. Infusium 23 is designed to nourish and protect your hair. Enriched with provitamins, this treatment penetrates deep into the hair shaft. It works to repair and strengthen from within. Enjoy the ease of a leave-in formula. Simply apply and go, for continuous hydration and manageability throughout your day. Whether your hair is dry, damaged, or color-treated, this versatile treatment is suitable for everyone. It helps to restore softness and shine. Get more of the treatment you love with our large 33.8-ounce bottle. It ensures you have plenty for regular use. See and feel the transformative effects on your hair. Achieve healthier, more vibrant-looking locks with every use. What we like. This is a provitamin-infused leave-in hair treatment. It provides deep hydration and helps to detangle hair, leaving it manageable. If you're looking for a daily solution to improve hair health, add moisture, and make styling easier, this product is ideal. What people say. The Infusion 23 Pro has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any desk. I was impressed with the powerful performance of the Infusion 23 Pro. It handles all my tasks with ease. The battery life on the Infusion 23 Pro is exceptional, lasting me through a full day of heavy use. Number 2. Infusium 23 Pro Treatment Original. Introducing the Infusium 23 Pro Treatment Original, a professional-grade formula designed to deeply nourish and revitalize your hair. Experience salon-quality results right at home with this intensive treatment. This powerful treatment penetrates deep into the hair shaft, delivering essential nutrients where they are needed most. It works to repair damage and strengthen strands from within. Watch as your hair is transformed, regaining its natural shine and softness. It helps to restore elasticity and manageability, leaving your hair looking and feeling healthier. Formulated with advanced ingredients, it provides the care your hair deserves. Achieve professional-level results that you can see and feel after every use. Get the best value with this convenient pack of 6. Ensure you always have your favorite hair treatment on hand for continuous care and stunning results. What we like. This option provides a generous supply of the provitamin leave-in treatment. It's designed for those who use the product regularly and want to ensure they always have it on hand. If you love this hair treatment and want to save money with a bulk purchase, this pack is perfect for you. What people say. Infusium 23 helps keep the frizzies down and makes my hair feel softer with any greasiness. This just made detangling so easy. I spray this on my hair and the brush goes straight through my tight curls. My hair feels strong and hydrated. I have very fine hair, but it tangled up easy, leaves your hair soft and manageable. Number 1. Infusium 23 Pro Treatment Original. Discover the secret to revitalized hair with our professional treatment. It's designed to deeply nourish and restore your locks from root to tip. Experience a transformation as this formula works to repair damage and enhance your hair's natural shine. You'll love the healthy, vibrant look it provides. Whether your hair is dry, damaged, or just needs a boost, this treatment is perfect for you. It delivers essential moisture and strength where it's needed most. Bring the salon experience to your home with this powerful treatment. Achieve professional results with every use, making your hair feel softer and more manageable. Infused with vital nutrients, it not only nourishes but also protects your hair from daily stressors. Keep your hair looking its best, day after day. Trust in the original formula that has been a favorite for years. Its proven effectiveness ensures you get the best care for your hair. What we like. This pack offers a convenient way to stock up on the provitamin leave-in hair treatment. It's a great middle ground for those who want more than one bottle but not a huge bulk quantity. If you're a frequent user and appreciate having a few bottles readily available, this pack is a smart buy. What people say. It softens my hair very well and helps with frizziness. It's also pretty long and Infusium gets the tangles out without causing breakage. This product is amazing. It saved my hair from being dry and frizzy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.